Sokal, do you like this drawing?
No, not particularly.
You don't like it? Why not? Give me some art criticism.
Well, there's just like always just too much happening.
It's allegorical sea monsters
Yeah,
instead of wings.
yeah.
And the two children, the Jewish Israeli girl slain on October 7th, the
Right.
Gazan boy slain since of the Israeli retaliation. The photograph above there I took on a trip to the Dead
this
Sea.
is all one thing. Ah,
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. Interesting. Yeah.
And you said you've been to Israel 8 times, is that right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Including this year. All right.
I think it's been 8 times.
Okay, so for tolerance education, anti-war education, what do you think?
Well, the sea monsters are unique to you. Those are your thing. So I don't see them as educational. I see them as expressive of who you are. You know?
They've been, in all the years I was teaching in recent years, the allegorical sea monsters worked as well as the metaphoric wings I had drawn for years. There are artworks where I've done both. So,
The sea monsters are Akiva. They're playful and angry at the same time.
that's good.
But the wings were obviously related to angelic figures who, you know, you associated them as having died in the Holocaust, and so they had wings.
But
Like
I've done a lot of
So that
human
was
rights.
something
I've
people-
done a lot of non-Holocaust artworks of human rights with wings as well, and I've done
Well, anyone
and
who
in
died
both
from
both
a-
series I've done allegorical sea monsters, and in both series there are some artworks I've done with both wings and sea monsters.
Right. Well, the sea monsters I don't associate with genocide.
It's allegorical for educational purposes, for teaching tolerance.
I don't know how it does that. I don't really understand. The wings I understand because those are like angel wings. So you're seeing these people as
Well, I
innocent
leave it up for
victims.
viewers' interpretation. You're the only person who's actually criticized the allegorical sea
It's not a
monsters.
criticism.
What's that?
It's not a criticism.
Yeah, you're saying you don't like it and you don't
I
understand
never
what it's
said
for.
like or don't like. I just said I don't associate them with genocide. I see them as playful and angry at the same time, which is more you. It's who you are. I see them as being who
That's
you
not
are.
any different than I could say that about the wings. It's who I am.
No, the wings I see is more of a generic icon of angels.
Okay, thanks,
That
David.
for me